Hello students, now in this video I explain you clauses. Now as you know, a complex sentence is formed by a principal or a main clause and a subordinate clause. Now the subordinate clause are of three types. First one is adverb clause. Here you look here, adverb clause, the adjective clause, and third one is the noun clause. So today I explain you adverb clause. Students, you see here, first I explain you adverb clause. Here, study the group of words in italics in the following sentences. So you have to study these two words which one write in italics, like at midnight and when midnight. So what is the difference between both the two? Both have the same question, slept when, slept when. So in first sentence this is at midnight and in second when midnight. Now in first sentence the word modifies the verb slept, and in second sentence also the word which is italic is also modify the verb slept. Now the difference between these two words are, the first group of words at midnight is an adverbial phrase, but the second group of words when midnight is not an adverb phrase, a subject midnight and a predicate came when of its own. Now it is a sentence though forming part of longer sentence. Now such a group of words that forms part of a large sentence and has subject and predicate of its own is called clause. Means here you see this one is the subject and predicate of its own. Here the subject is midnight and predicate is when. So it is clear, and this one forms a own subjects. This has its own meaning. Now since when midnight came does the work of an adverb, it is called as adverb clause. Now here definition of that one is, an adverb clause is a group of words that does the work of an adverb. एडवर्ब क्लॉज एक ऐसे वर्ड्स का ग्रुप होता है जो अब एक एडवर्ब के जैसे काम करता है. इट हैज अ सब्जेक्ट एंड अ प्रेडिकेट ऑफ इट्स ओन एंड फॉर्म्स पार्ट ऑफ अ सेंटेंस. जिसका खुद का सब्जेक्ट होता है और प्रेडिकेट होता है खुद का, और वो एक सेंटेंस का पार्ट क्रिएट करता है. नाउ हियर देयर वन एक्सरसाइजेस, like pick out the adverb clauses in the following sentences. First one is, you may go home when you have finished. So here when you have finished we have to pick out the adverb clause. So here in this sentence when you have finished is a adverb clause. Here this one is a subject and predicate. Second, he will wait till you return. So till you return is a adverb clause. We do not always do as we think. So answer is as we think. Fourth, you will win the prize if you work hard. Answer is if you work hard. Fifth, I forgive you since you have confessed your guilt. Answer is since you have confessed your guilt. So students, this one is the adverb clauses. So you have to fill it in your workbook and write it in your grammar notebook. And here, and this is your homework. In this question, rewrite the following sentences replacing the adverb phrases by adverb clauses. So you have to replace the adverb phrase by adverb clause. So you have to complete it.